Hi, I'm Ken Kylick from Hilco Vision. One of the most helpful products for eyeglass wearers during COVID-19 has been our OptiPlus Anti-Fog lens wipes. The safe and effective towelette used on all lenses, including AR coatings, has eliminated fog and served as a great lens cleaner for thousands of people. And now, to help dispensaries even further, Hilco Vision has introduced the OptiPlus Dispensing Tower with its innovative dispensing program. The standalone tower is yours free with the purchase of a retail stock package that includes either 125 of the 30-count boxes, 72 of the 60-count, or 50 of the 100-count boxes. And to top it off, Hilco Vision will include 400 free sample wipes as well. Assembly of the tower is simple. Make sure you carefully unpack your display parts near your desired location since the unit is quite sturdy. First, turn the display tower section upside down and place the base plate on top with the screw holes aligned. Use the supplied hex key to secure the plate. Next, turn the tower with the plate right side up and attach the wipe dispenser. To install the screws, enter through the back side of the unit inside the removable waste bin. Once again, use the hex key. There are 2 reversible signage cards included with the unit. Use the slot at the top of the wipe dispenser to insert the message of your choice. Now drop the bag of free sample wipes into the top of the dispenser. A refill indicator window is located on the side to ensure samples are always available, and a trash receptacle in the front, along with a removable waste bin in the back, allows for sampling to be kept tidy. Then, install the 4 shelves and stock the display as you prefer. 8 peg hooks are also included to offer extra options for additional stock or Hilco accessories. The assembled unit weighs approximately 40 to 45 pounds and has a base footprint of 19 by 19 inches and just over 60 inches in height, making it conducive in larger or smaller office areas. These wipes are not only for AR-coated lenses, but they can be used for other applications including safety eyewear, medical face shields, sunglasses, and sports visors, to name a few. You can check out the breakdown of pricing for both the initial stock pack and the reorder packs on our Hilco Vision website to determine the option that's best for you. And there you have it. This eye-catching unit will attract patients to discover for themselves the easy solution to eliminate eyewear fog due to activities, weather conditions, or of course, wearing a mask. Thanks for watching. Take care, and we'll see you next time.